The opposition BJP has alleged Gunda Raj in Ballari following a violent clash linked to the installation of a Valmiki banner that resulted in the death of one person. The party claimed that the life of its MLA G Janardhan Reddy was under threat and urged State Director General of Police M.S. Salim to provide police protection. Janardhan Reddy alleged a planned conspiracy against him by Congress MLA Nara Bharat Reddy and demanded an investigation either by a sitting judge or the Central Bureau of Investigation. A delegation of BJP leaders, led by Leader of Opposition in the Assembly R. Ashoka and Leader of Opposition in the Council Chalwadi Narayan Swamy, met the State DGP in Bengaluru and submitted a memorandum seeking protection for Janardhan Reddy and his close associate, former Minister B. Sri Ramulu. The BJP leadership alleged a complete breakdown of law and order in Ballari and claimed that Bharat Reddy's associates had gathered with political intent to target Janardhan Reddy. Ashoka demanded a judicial probe quashing of cases registered against Janardhan Reddy, who was earlier convicted in an illegal mining case, and sought the immediate arrest of Bharat Reddy. Meanwhile, Sri Ramulu alleged that gunmen of Satish Reddy, described as a confidant of Bharat Reddy, opened fire during the incident, with videos reportedly showing bullets being fired by private gunmen. Bharat Reddy, however, rejected the allegations, accused Janardhan Reddy of spreading falsehoods, and stated that the Valmiki statue unveiling program would proceed as scheduled, describing it as a tribute to the deceased Rajshekhar.